Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Guys, this reading today is going to be for Aquarius. We will see what's coming up for Aquarius in the next few days. This is going to be your love reading, alright? So we'll see what's happening in your love life. What is your person thinking about you? How are you feeling towards them? And what are the overall energies right now, okay? So this is for all Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You can check your placements if you're confused. This will resonate to most of you, not all of you, because this is a general reading, okay? So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. So let's see, what do we have in store for my Aquarius? Let's see, what messages do we get from Aquarius? Okay, the first card is Four of Swords. Okay, the second is the Queen of Pentacles and Two of Wands. Let's see what else. Aquarius, I think this card wants to come out. King of Wands. Alright, this is Knight of Pentacles. Okay, I think I've got two cards here. I'll take it like this. This is the Nine of Wands and Five of Pentacles in reverse. Let's see what else. Okay, I think I've got two more cards together. So we have the Two of Cups and King of Pentacles. So let me keep this here. What else? What else do we have for my Aquarius? I need 5 more cards. Okay, I think I've got two cards. That is King of Cups, Ace of Cups, both in reverse. I need 3 more cards now. 3 more cards for my Aquarius. I think I've got 2 more. That is this and Three of Swords. Let's see more, guys. 1 more card. Okay, I've got it. It's the Judgment. Let's see, bottom of the deck we have Six of Swords. Alright. Okay, just a sec. Let me keep this properly. Okay. Aquarius, we have the Four of Swords with the Queen of Pentacles. Now this is the overall energy for you. So definitely this is your person's side, this is your side. I feel that your person is not talking to you, Aquarius. There is distance between both of you. Maybe your person may have stopped talking to you, or they're trying to stay away from you. Could be that you both are living separately, staying separately, or distance could be an issue. So that's bothering you, Aquarius. We have you in this Queen of Pentacles place. Some of you, I think you're focusing on your money. Money is your priority right now. You're focusing on money, Pentacles, and at the same time you are very serious towards this person. You won't give up on this person come what may, okay? As far as your current energy is concerned, this is King of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. Your person is not going to give up on you. They are still going to work on this relationship. They are somebody who would do anything for you, Aquarius. You are dealing with somebody who has immense love for you. They would do anything. But this person is going through some issue right now. We'll find out later why, what's happening, okay? Yeah. What's happening we'll see later, but as of now what I see is This person is still thinking of how to make things better between you both. Now this is your energy, Knight of Pentacles. You don't know what to do with this person. Should you move forward? Should you stay back? Somehow I feel that you guys have slowed down in this relationship. It's like you're not putting in as much efforts as you used to in the past towards this person. I feel that you guys have slowed down. Now, with the 9 of Wands and 5 of Pentacles in reverse, you guys feel lonely. You feel that in spite of being with this person is not there with you. You guys feel very lonely. You feel that maybe this is your feeling, okay, Aquarius. I don't know why I feel I feel that you guys feel that this person is not there with you in your bad times, or you feel lonely. It's different for different people, but yeah, you feel lonely. You feel as if this person should have been there. Some of you may be going through financial stress also right now, okay, that could also be the thing. Now with the 9 of Wands, I feel that your person somehow knows that they can trust you completely. They have this immense faith on you and in this connection. They know that you are not going anywhere. Okay, maybe this person takes you for granted. They know that you have been very loyal to this person throughout. This person has immense faith on you, Aquarius, whoever you're dealing with. Okay, what does this person want? This person wants things to get better between both of you, because I think you guys are going through some turbulent times. Yeah, I do see a lot of troubles. If you both are not in talking terms, this person wants reunion, reconciliation. They don't want to fight anymore. Maybe some of you guys are going through a lot of fights between each other. Okay, the love is slowly fading. This person wants things to get better between both of you. They want reunion. In case if you both are not talking to each other, they don't want any more fights between both of you. Okay, as far as you are concerned, some of you, I feel, Aquariusly, we have the King of Pentacles. Maybe you are supporting this person financially. We have the King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles both by your side. So some of you, I think you guys are supporting your person financially, or this could be that your focus is money right now. Okay, your focus is money, maybe because you're going through some difficult times. This could be in your career, health wise also. Maybe some of you are recovering. Okay, health could be an issue. Now what's coming up for you, Aquarius? We have the 3 of Pentacles and the Death in reverse. Alright, you know what? We have the Death card by your person's side. Somehow this person is losing faith on this connection. Whoever you are dealing with, Aquarius, okay, this is just their thought. This person feels that things are heading to an end. This is their feeling, okay? They feel that things are heading towards an end. See, they are living in fear. This person is stressed, going through a lot. They are going through a lot, you are going through a lot. This person fears that they may lose you. This person fears that things are going to end between you both. 3 of Pentacles is by your side, so definitely some of you have some new person in your life. Maybe you're talking to people around you. Could be you're discussing this with your colleagues, your family members, or this could be that there is somebody else. I certainly see somebody new in your life, Aquarius. Okay, you guys are talking to somebody new, and I think this is something new, all right, which it's like you're getting close to somebody else. This could be at your workplace. Okay, I do see you talking to somebody else, and this could be at your workplace. Maybe you have met somebody else. That could also be the thing. All right, because I don't see you taking any action towards this person. You don't know what should you do. You feel lonely right now, and it's like I don't see you taking any efforts towards this person the way you used to in the past. Okay, so you guys may have slowed down with this person in this relationship. Some of you are trying to divert your mind. Maybe you are meeting new people. This going out with colleagues. Maybe as for some of you, I certainly see a new person in your life. Maybe you have met somebody new. That could be the thing. Alright, guys, Aquarius, now this is your energy, Two of Wands with the Queen of Pentacles. I feel that you guys are making some strategies to make things work with this person. Okay, that is because I feel that you feel that this person is your world. You cannot afford to lose this person. You feel that this person is all that you ever desired or you want. So I feel that you are still, some of you, you are in this place where you are thinking on how to get this person. If it is a new relationship, or could be that you are in a dating phase, you are thinking of how to get this person or how to get close to this person, or how to have this person in your life. You are literally strategizing, thinking of what can you do to make things better with this person. All right, some of you, I certainly see you have two options in your life. Now we have the Judgment in the outcome position. I feel some of you, you are literally in this place where you and your person, you both are looking for guidance from universe. Look at this, we have the Two of Wands, Judgment, we have the Ace of Cups. It's like you don't want to give up on this person. That is why I think some of you, you are literally praying, or could be that you are asking God to give you some guidance. And this is your person's energy also, this is mutual. So you and your person, you both have been praying and you are seeking for some guidance, looking for some signs. It's like, you know, you are asking God to help you, you are asking universe to give you some signs, or you are asking God to make things better. That is because you have deep love, Aquarius. You have deep love towards this person. If at all you guys are not in contact, this person will come back to you. Six of Swords. They will come back to you because you are all that they need. You are their world. Okay. So I want to clarify this Judgment here. So let's see, why do we have the Judgment? I want to clarify the Judgment. Please give me a message. Why do we have the Judgment here? Please give me a message. Why do we have the Judgment here? Okay, I think this card, let me clarify more. I just saw the Two of Swords. Let me see. Okay, Seven of Cups with the Star. This person, whoever you're dealing with, they have so many dreams with you. They want to do so many things with you. This person is somebody who feels that you are the star of their life. You know, we have the star here. So maybe their entire world revolves around you. Your entire world revolves around them. And you both love each other so much so that you want God to help intervene and do something in this relationship. Okay, that is what I see as far as your outcome is concerned. I cannot tell the direct outcome right now because as far as the current energies are concerned, I feel there is hope. You're being asked to have hope in this relationship. Okay, with the Star and Judgment, I feel that the judgment will be made, and this will be made from the universe side. I don't see the judgment is in your hand. I don't see the judgment being on their hand. I see the judgment. It's like universe stepping in to do justice for you, Aquarius. Okay, so Star and Seven of Cups definitely you're being asked to have hope. You're being asked to be patient and surrender to the divine. So whatever will happen in your relationship will happen for your good. So for most of you, yes, this person will come back to you because we have the Six of Swords here. Six of Swords with the Seven of, so a relationship that has gone sour will come back to normal. I see that here. Okay, let me see, why do we have the Two of Cups here? Let's see, why do we have the Two of Cups here? We'll clarify the Two of Cups. Okay, see, I said this person wants things to get better between both of you. You guys may be having a lot of troubles, lot of issues, This person wants, I said some of you, I think you are in no contact zone. This reading is especially for people who are not in talking terms, because I certainly see this person coming back to you. Okay, this person is going to come back to you. In fact, this person, they want to come back to you, but they expect you to go back to them. Okay, this person wants you to take initiative towards them. That is one thing. Okay, see, some of you, we have the Hangman in reverse. This person sees you as somebody who is doing good without them. Your person feels that you're very happy in your life. This person feels that you are moving on in your life and they don't matter to you. Not that you don't love them, they know that you love them, but this person sees you as somebody who is moving on in life. You have many people around you. It's like this person has started feeling that their existence doesn't really matter in your life. This is especially for people who are not in contact with each other. Your person feels that, you know, you are moving on in life, you have people around you, you're talking to new people, you're knowing somebody else, and they don't matter to you anymore. Okay, that is their energy. So, see, we have the Two of Wands and Two of Wands again. Guys, some of you, this is your energy. So, certainly, I think you guys are literally thinking of how to get this person, whoever you're dealing with. Okay, you want this person anyhow. It's just that I think you guys are making plans, strategizing, doing something, maybe talking to some other people to find out if this can work. Okay, maybe if it's a very new relationship, maybe you are taking advice from somebody else. Could be your friend, mutual friends, could be friends at your workplace. So you are trying to seek advice on how to get this person, if this is a very new relationship. Okay, now let's see, we'll have 3 cards for you, 3 cards for this person. Okay, the first card, rest and reconsider. This is you guys. Okay, this is you. I said you, and 3 cards for your person. So this is by your side. So some of you, I think you're being asked to rest and reconsider. It's like you have to take a pause. You are going very fast. Okay, so take a pause, think. Okay, I've got 2 more cards, exactly 2 more cards. Rebuild and reach out. Some of you, you are being asked to reach out to this person. It's like, see, I told you, this person is expecting you to take action towards them. So maybe you are the one who may have to take action towards this person. Reach out. You are being asked to reach out. Okay, maybe if you're expecting this person to come to you, they want to come to you, but maybe this person is expecting you to take initiative. Okay, so you're being asked to reach out. Maybe you have to take the first action in this case, in this reading. Rebuild. See, there is a strong chance. Some of you, I think you have gone through a lot in life recently, off lately. You are emotionally and physically drained. So much so that you are hurt internally. Maybe you may show to people around you, you may not show, doesn't matter. But you guys are being asked to work on yourself, okay? You have to work on your own inner confidence. You have to work on your own inner self. Do some things that will make you happy. So that is what I see for you. Let's see 3 cards for your person. We'll see what do we have for your person. Give me 3 cards. We'll see 3 cards for, okay, I've got 3 cards exactly, I think. The first is strengthening bonds. This person is trying their best to strengthen their relationship with you, okay? Giving and receiving. I think this person is like, your person is like, they feel, they are in this energy where they feel that it should be an equal give and take in this relationship. Okay? This person feels that they are willing to give you, but they want the same in return from you. So this person is this energy where they feel that they are willing to invest provided they get the same love from you. So they are waiting for you to initiate. They will give you love provided you show that they are needed, that kind of energy. Simply love. Some of you, you could be single parents, so you're being asked to focus on your children. Okay, maybe you are a single parent, or maybe you are not focusing on your child. Okay, you're being asked to focus on your child. Shine. This card is trying to tell you that you guys have the power to shine. Some of you, you have a lot of dreams. Okay, you have some big dreams, and this card is like a message which is trying to tell you that come up, grow. You have so much in life to achieve, Aquarius. So listen to your heart. See, you guys are not listening to your heart. Focus on what gives you happiness. You have whatever it takes to shine, because I think you have some big dreams. You have some, you have some big dreams, you have some big goals, you want to achieve so much in life. So just go with the flow, focus on your heart, because everything is there waiting for you. You have to rise up from all this drama, whatever it is. This could be in your family life, work life, with this person, could be anything. You're being asked to come out of all this and shine. Do what you love, follow your heart. That's the message here. Follow your heart. Okay, change your focus. Some of you are being asked to change your focus. This could be in your career, this could be with your person. Some of you, I think you have two options in your life. So maybe you're being asked to change your focus. Now this could base chakra in reverse. You have to think, guys. Some of you literally have to think. Okay, that is why we have this. Some of you are being asked to change your focus. It's like some of you are like literally giving in so much energy to something that is not even required. So I don't know, this could be in your career, this could be in your work life, I don't know, something is there. I think you guys are being asked to change your focus. So that's the message that I have for you. So some of you're being asked to focus on your internal healing. Okay, you have to meditate. Spend 30 minutes to 1 hour every day on meditation. You're being asked to focus on your base chakra. Okay, so focus on this, meditate, and you will get whatever you want. Okay, guys, because I think you guys are very much worried about something. This could be for most of you. I feel this is a career also. So worried about career, you're going to come up in life, you're going to shine. Okay, something real good is waiting for you, Aquarius. You just have to change your focus. That's the message. This could be in your career also, guys. Maybe you are putting too much efforts on something that is not even required. I don't know. Yeah, this could be your work, this could be your love life. So you guys are being asked to change your focus. Let me see one final card as the mutual energy between both of you. We'll see the final card. Okay, I've got two cards here. Feeling alone, win or lose. I said mutual energy. This is as good as an outcome. See, you guys, you both are in this place. You both are feeling lonely. You and your person, you both are lonely without each other. And you have reached a point, Aquarius, where your relationship is at a place where either you're going to lose this person or you're going to win them. It's like a do or die situation. You guys, this is the outcome, mutual outcome that I see here. You both are feeling lonely without each other. So yeah, this is like a 50-50% scenario. So some of you, maybe you're going to lose this person. Some of you're going to win this person. Okay, now this is because this is a general reading, different for different of you, but this is a very, very tricky situation you are in, Aquarius. But don't give up your hope. Okay, things may work, because as I said, some of you're going to win this person, but some of you maybe, okay, you may have to walk out also. You never know. So whatever it is, don't lose hope. Don't lose hope, because we have the star here, judgment here. You're being asked to pray. So just pray and wait for the results. As far as your career is concerned or your life is concerned, some of you are going to rise up higher to a different level. This could be in your career, in your workplace. Okay, I do see some big things, big changes happening for you, Aquarius. Some big things. What is there? Success and growth. I just spoke. You guys are going to shine in your career, and look at this. What do we have? Okay, this is at the bottom of the deck. I just spoke about career because I don't know why, guys. I feel that there's something. I feel that this is trying to tell me, some of you may have to change your focus. All right, and I feel this is your career. This is your career, and you're worried about success and growth in your career, and that is going to happen. It may take time, but it will happen for sure. Okay, Just don't lose hope. Things are working in your favor for you, Aquarius. It may take time because we have the judgment here. It's not so easy, it's not so early, but things are moving for you and getting better. Okay, let's see one more card. Move. Oh my god, I just said about move and look what I have. Look at this. Some of you, you're being asked to focus on, this is for singles, okay? Some of you, maybe you are single since a very long time. You're being asked to focus, change your focus to this new person who has come in your life. I do see a new person in your life, so you may have to change your focus to this new person. Maybe you're trying to block people, or there is somebody who is giving you a lot of attention, Aquarius, but you're trying to ignore them, okay? And this is especially for singles or people who have had a breakup in the past. You're being asked to change your focus and go out and meet this person, whoever this is, okay? Pay attention to this new person. All right, so that was that, Aquarius. I really hope this helps and resonates. And if you like my reading, please like, share, subscribe, and do comment below how did this resonate, okay? So that is it. You guys take care. Bye.